Hey, this is Pete from Abstract Ocean. This is a really quick video install to show you our door sill protectors. They come in three different options. They're all the same finish, so they're kind of this glossy carbon fibre effect finish. And then we have the 3-bar, the Model 3, hopefully the camera's getting this in the weird lighting, and then P3D as well. So choose from whichever option you want. All the letters are kind of, they float in the clear layer, so it kind of adds some depth. And they're correctly proportioned as well. You'll see some where the letters are weirdly stretched or just kind of out of perspective, so we pay attention to that. So with that, I'm going to quickly get these installed so you can see them. I'm going to do 2 of them temporary, and then we'll do a full one for the final install. So I've already cleaned this. We're going to include an alcohol wipe just so you can clean the trim piece. But this is the P3D, if I just put that in place. All I've done is just ripped off the corners, so we're not final fitting these, but you just get an idea. So that's what the P3D will look like. Move back for a second. This will be the Model 3, which you can see is exactly the same font as what's underneath. We just kind of enlarged the 3 just to sort of go for that slightly different effect. It also matches our rear emblem. Okay, that's what that one looks like. And then the 3-bar, which is actually going to be the one we fit on this car, because that's what Chief Girl wants. So that's what it's going to look like. And all we need to do, again, we've already cleaned this with an alcohol wipe. We're just going to peel off the rest of the backer. Right now the temperature is about 80. I guess, so whatever that is, so about 26 Celsius, which is good, it's a good temperature. But we're just going to, let's lift that again, find our first corner, which for me is going to be on this left side, and then sort of let it lay down all the way along until it gets to the other end. The actual material itself is pretty flexible, and obviously you can see you can lift and drop a few times if you need to. But just kind of find the right place for it. Like that, and then we're going to grab a towel and just apply some even pressure all the way along, just to kind of finalize the install. Pretty easy, that's what it looks like. Should you ever need to remove it, just grab a hairdryer or a heat gun on a low setting, and you'll just be able to lift it off. It's really not that difficult to do, but until you do that, this will stay in place. It's obviously a UV resistant coating, so it's not going to change over time or anything like that. Alright, thanks for watching.